So today we are going to discuss about the chemical bond. Let me explain first of all, define what is a chemical bond. A force, a binding force which holds the atoms in a molecules. A binding force which holds the atoms in a molecules, that is called chemical bond. What is a chemical bond? A binding force which holds the atoms in a molecules. So now let us talk about I have mentioned that this chemical bond is basically of the two types. One is electrovalent bond, also called ionic bond. Another one is a covalent bond. So chemical bond, we will talk about the chemical bond, and that is of the two types. That is one is electrovalent bond. Electrovalent, also called ionic bond. And the another one is covalent bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond, both are the same. Either we can call it as electrovalent or ionic bond. The another type is covalent bond. So let us talk about the electrovalent bond. What is an electrovalent bond? This bond is generally formed between the atoms of metal and non-metal. Electrovalent bonds are formed generally between atoms of metal or non-metal. So bond formed by total transference of electron between the two atoms are called electrovalent bond. Bond formed by total transference of electron between the two atoms. Atom which transfer the electron, loses the electron, acquire positive charge, and the atom which gain the electron becomes negative charge. So as for example, like a sodium has atomic number 11, so its electronic configuration is 281. So sodium has one electron in its valence shell. So sodium tries to lose one electron and try to acquire the electronic configuration of like neon. For this, sodium tries to lose one electron so that the sodium will have the electronic configuration like of neon. Similarly, some other atom like chlorine, if you take chlorine has atomic number 17, electronic configuration is 287. So chlorine is a sort of one electron in order to get the nearest noble gas configuration like of argon. Argon has 288. 18 is atomic number and its electronic configuration 288. Chlorine tries to achieve the electronic configuration like of argon. So that for that chlorine need one electron. So now sodium has one electron in its valence shell. This is called Lewis dot. This valence electron is represented either by dot or by cross, that is called Lewis dot. That sodium has one electron in its valence shell. Valence electrons are represented by dot, and the chlorine has how many electrons? 7. Now one electron is given by sodium. one electron is given by sodium. As a result, on the overall atom is electrically neutral, but after the transference of one electron, sodium acquire 1 unit of positive